you up to?
What do you have a camera on you? I'm playing League of Legends.
Let's film a YouTube video.
YouTube video? About what?
I mean, you've been in New York for 3 months. You bought a brand new car every single month.
Yeah, I guess it's a good idea. I mean, we are gonna go pick up the Purosangue. I did buy a Puro in April. We're in July now. It's getting an exhaust right now. It's gonna sound insane. It's a V12. So I guess we could go film that. But I guess if I was to actually make a YouTube video today, I would want to show you guys my Temerario because I custom ordered that one. The whole fleet looks so different, but I think I would want to show you guys the Temerario because it actually surprised me. Like, it's actually such a great car. At the beginning, I wasn't too sure of it because Huracán replacement, a little over the Huracán, and then so expensive for a Huracán replacement. But honestly, I think I would put a Temerario as like an SF90. So yeah, if we're gonna make a YouTube video, I want to show you guys my Temerario. Let's do that. All right, beautiful. We're inside of a car. You can see the logo, so it's a Lamborghini, obviously. This video should be black and white, so you have no idea what the interior looks like, at least the color it is. You can see the sport seats, but that's all you know. I'm driving to a specific location because I really want to dive into every single thing about this car. I did amazing specking it out. I did great. I did good. I did amazing. And I think you're gonna absolutely love it. Again, I don't want to give any hints. I don't want to give any hints. All right, guys, without further ado, this is my 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. Just like my Revuelto, we got it in a narrow Helene, which it is a more expensive black. You may think I'm crazy for it, but if you get close to it, you can see the sparkles in the paint, just like my Revuelto and just like my Cullinan. It's a different name for the Cullinan because it's a Rolls Royce, but I like that sparkles. When you do the PPF, you get to bring those out in the sun. It shines beautifully. I still haven't decided whether I'm gonna do a stealth or not. Actually, I'm deciding right now. We're doing gloss, we're keeping it gloss. My girlfriend is Ukrainian, as you guys know. Been with her for about 8 years. I built this car thinking of her. Let me show you what I mean. I turned that on just now, where I hold the open button and the windows go down. But as you can see, we have the blue interior with the yellow accents. We have the yellow seat belts and the yellow calipers, which is a resemblance to the Ukrainian flag. My girl means a lot to me, so having this just kind of felt right thing to do. So if you go to the interior, you see that I did everything in Alcantara, just like I did with the Revuelto, but instead we have the blue inside. I did opt in for the sports bucket seats just because I simply think they look so much better than the comfort seats. Usually I like the comfort seats, but the buckets just look night and day better. Obviously, come over here on this side, you can see that we opted in for the passenger screen, which, believe it or not, it is an option. If someone specced it without it, I don't know what you were thinking. Everything inside is going to be the stealth carbon. Every single option was selected for it. We have the Sonos in Favor sound system because, again, got this car thinking of my girl, so she's going to be in the car a lot. If it's leather, it's going to be blue. If it's not blue, then it's going to go ahead and be Alcantara. Just like the steering wheel, we did have the inverted stitching option, so it's black stitching inside on the blue and then blue stitching on the black Alcantara. These little details right here, which is like the startup button, fire jet thing, I'm gonna go have it custom taken off and painted yellow so it matches the rest of the accent. Same thing with this right here. I also did go ahead and opted in for the more expensive rims. I think look absolutely amazing. Lamborghini does a great job at keeping their rims looking good and not having to change them. Not like some other car brands where as soon as you get the car, you have to get new rims. Lambo isn't like that. Check out the insane rear view of this car. I did not opt in for any of the exterior carbon just because it's the first time I got the car. I wanted to go ahead and kind of see what I would like about it. If I did not like it, I don't think the exterior carbon is really that important anyways because you can always get that afterwards yourself. As long as you have everything in the interior carbon, then you should be good to go always because that you cannot change. Obviously, we already went ahead and tinted the car and this thing is just beautiful, guys. It absolutely grew on me so freaking much. As soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it. Yes, the fact that I built it out myself always plays a big part, but this car, it is, I can actually finally go ahead and say this, the best built hybrid to ever have been created. I mean, guys, this is just insane. The way it drives, the way it handles. The car is such a perfectly built car that it's a little bit boring. I don't know if I can say this on camera, but we just drove over here and I hit 150 on the way over here and you felt like I was doing 50. The car corners amazing. This is a car that you take to the track. This is a car that you can do anything in and it will do it amazingly and perfectly. And it houses the upgraded sound system, which my Revuelto did not have when I spec'd it out. There's nothing bad I can say about this car. Literally, it's so dialed in, it's so perfect. Everything about the car is done beautifully, done right. The aerodynamics, I mean, the way the air comes from here for the car to continuously keep all the downforce going. 1 second, as the civilians drive by after admiring the beauty of this car. Everything about this car, there is nothing bad that you can say about the Lamborghini Temerario. I am extremely happy with the fact that I got this car. My spec is truly 101 and I'm obsessed with it, but I legitimately don't have the words to describe what this car is capable of, what this car does. I've owned every single hybrid, SF90, which I still have, 296 GTS, which I had to sell because it had a problem. And my SF90 now is a Spider. I had the coupe version before. I have a Revuelto, and then now I have this. I also have an Artura for my fleet. Every single hybrid you can think of, I have owned or still own, and nothing come close to what a Temerario can do. This car is insane. And again, it is a twin turbo V8 with a hybrid motor that can be tuned, right? Like this can actually be turned into like a 1300 horsepower beast. And I don't think there's a better car to hold that. I think this car could hold 1500 horsepower. It's just insane. There is not ever been a better hybrid car than this one. Genuinely, when I'm driving the SF90, I feel like I'm gonna die. With the Temerario, I feel like there's nothing I could do that would make me die. I genuinely am just so safe in the car. The corners amazingly. The body rolls is basically none. It's non-existent. You truly feel like you're one with the car, and it's just such a great driver's car. Without further ado, let's go ahead and go for a drive in the Temerario. Look how nice this thing corners. It's like eating the road. And I don't even have dampening on. Let's put out dampening to hard. There we go. And now obviously the sound isn't there, but the experience of driving in this thing is just unlike anything else. From all the cars that I have owned, all the cars that I still own, I would say one of the best driving cars has been the 720, the 765 LT. As far as driving, this is better than a 765 LT. And if you know cars, you understand how that is a big statement. I've even driven a Senna, and a Senna is very in tune with the road, but this just at a whole other level. This car just does it right. I feel like I am one with the car. I don't feel that I have no control. I genuinely feel like everything I want done, I can do. Let's pop it into manual really quickly. Check out this turn right here. Just super smooth at over 113 miles an hour. Not shaking a tiny bit. Doesn't even feel like I'm gonna lose traction at any moment. And we haven't even dived into the drift button. Yes, this hybrid does come with a drift button, just like the one hypercar, the Rimac. I recently saw an Instagram post where somebody crashed their Temerario, and I genuinely just don't understand how. Like, you have to have done it purposely, because this car, you don't lose control, you don't lose traction. It does everything right. It even makes up for user error mistakes. So you had to have been trying to crash the car to crash it the way that I saw that one crashed. Because this, look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and just go into this super simple, super smooth. Boom. Even with that, even with the guy still going into my lane and getting into the shoulder, the car just holds it very well. Like, this car is insane, dude. All it needs is an exhaust. That's it. And we're already working on that. You hear those pops? I feel like the car is even ready. Like, you don't even have to tune it. It just has to have an exhaust. It needs to open up. And it's gonna sound insane. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and pick up my Purosangue. If you guys only follow me on YouTube, you guys definitely haven't seen a detailed video yet on it. We'll do that a different time, but right now we're gonna go pick it up because we got a brand new Keller Williams exhaust and downpipes. And it's supposed to sound absolutely insane. Super excited, can't wait to get to it. The owner of the shop, Neo, who's one of my closest friends, he's been texting me nonstop to hurry up because it's finished. So we're on the way there. I'm also starving, so hopefully we can get some grubs. Put you on the camera? Put him on the camera. Get him on camera.
That's just 2,000 RPM. Oh my God. That is nuts. That is like insane.
All right, so we just picked up the Pura, which I have not shown you guys yet. We'll do a separate video on that. It sounds absolutely insane. So I'll see you guys in the next video for that.